guys, today I'm gonna be unboxing, but it's going to be a full. Okay, guys, now this is it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! It's a mystery dumpling. It's a mystery dumpling. I love it, but I haven't opened it. The janitor gave this to me when we were in school. Oh yeah, the school was early because it was suspended by the mayor. Okay, now let's open it. I hate that word. Okay, now let's open it. I hate when it flings. Okay, guys. In 3, I'll let you guys see. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. What is that? I love it! I love yellow. I think later I will be making a ASMR video. If you want to check it out, you can go to my channel and check it.